My GoPro battery was not working, so I switched to my backup one, which has been in my bag since I bought my GoPro, and it had 92% still. Kind of insane. Remember to get my clear visor. Oh, I was so warm. It's just the worst. Like, you know when you wake up early? I don't know if you guys have this, but if I wake up early out of like a normal day, so it was 3:45 this morning, and then take a shower, and then I've got the bathroom door closed. I have a master bathroom. I have the door closed because everyone's still sleeping, and it's cool enough out, so it's like 68 degrees outside, so it's not warm enough out to have the air conditioner kick on. So I'm just like dying. And then I got to get everything ready, and then I had all my, like, a lot of my gear on, and then my GoPro battery died. Well, it wasn't even charging for some reason. Yeah, you're in the garage where the air's not circulating and the wind's not blowing at all right now. So this 68 degree, really humid air feels really good right now. I was thinking about moving my cameras around. I was going to move my Pocket to the back of my head and the GoPro to the chin mount. Then I realized that I have to be able to plug in the microphone, and I'm not sure if that'll work at the chin mount. So we're gonna have to play with it, but might only be able to move the Pocket. Oh, stinky skunk! Super thankful for my clear visor right now. If this stretch was lit up, I probably wouldn't have to put on my clear visor. But this is so pitch black on this road. Ugh. Got my little camera. How did I do that? That's so lame. That camera's battery is not working. This camera's was up on my desk. That camera was not even running. It was in photo mode. This one's having an SD card error. Let's try again. Why is everybody being punks? All right, I think all three are now running. I like the partly cloudy. Oh yeah, that's way less humid than this morning. Pastor Pat, I think his wife's out of town, so he probably went somewhere for lunch. Allers Travelers? Okay. The guy behind me is pointing at the two cameras that I have. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that. I can see that.